Hello friends, today I am going to explain you a program using PHP which is used to connect to the database PostgreSQL. PHP is a server-side scripting language. PostgreSQL is a database, relational database. Here I am using JavaScript to connect PHP to PostgreSQL. Up till now we have seen some videos in which I connected PHP to PostgreSQL without JavaScript. Here I am using JavaScript. Now we will see the program code. In HTML part, here shop demo.php on which file I want to perform operation, that is located on the server PHP file. Get method is used when I want to extract data from the server. On submit, that will fire when you submit the form, that is the JavaScript part. Then Cotton King shirt is there, Peter England shirt is there, checkbox are given, items are Alan Solly and arrow. Now we will see the JavaScript part. JavaScript var is used to declare variable in JavaScript. This is how we can create array in JavaScript. Get element by ID is used when I require unique value. Prompt is used when I want to accept input from the user. Then window location href method is used when you want to pass data from the JavaScript to PHP. Document.cookie is also used when you want to pass data from JavaScript to PHP. Now we will see PHP part. Host connection string to database. Get global array. We want to get the data from the Apache web server to the PHP $r cookie. We want to get JavaScript value. Then ltrim, remove the comma from the left side of the string. preg replace to remove the part of the string. Then rtrim, that remove the comma from the right side of the explode, is used to convert string into array, and implode is used to convert array into string. Then array filter, when you want to remove blank column from the array filter is used. Then for each, because for each are used because I want rate and quantity, that's why. Then database part, insert statement. Then pg query is used to execute the query. Then pg fetch array when you want to get the value in the form of array, rows and column. Now we will see the actual execution of program. I want to purchase Cotton King shirt, then arrow shirt, then send button. So it is showing that Cotton King is also there and price is 1400. Then quantity 2, then arrow 1700, quantity 2, then current date and time, that is 1, then thing date and time. Now here bill number, Cotton King and arrow items. Rate is 1400, 1700, quantity 2 and 2, and total is 6200 including GST. GST, I have used this term, it relates to goods and services sold. For domestic consumption, the tax customer have to bear when they buy any goods. Okay, and 12% GST is included when the amount exceed 1000, and if the amount is less than 1000, 5% GST is included. Okay, thank you.